Hey everyone, this is my first time uploading a coloring video, so I hope you all enjoy. I am Jeremy Kahn, a digital colorist who currently does work for a number of kids' titles for American mythology. In my downtime, I like practicing my coloring skills and furthering my abilities by coloring sample pieces. I thought it'd be a fun idea to record one of my coloring sessions and upload it for all to see. This time around, I chose something simple to color in, a sample page from My Little Pony drawn out by Bill Forrester, artist and author for IDW. This page was taken from Bill's website, where it was posted back in 2013. Feel free to check at the end of the video for links to see some more great work. When starting to color a new page, the first thing I do is to make sure the line work is separated to its own layer. I do this through a set of Photoshop actions I created. I create a new channel layer which I then select and copy the entire page to. Once copied to the newly created channel layer, I use the option Load Channel as a selection. This results in all the white areas of the page being selected. However, what I really want is for the line work to be selected. So within the selection tool, I invert the selection, which then causes the line work to be selected. From here, I go back to the main channel, create a new layer under the Layers tab, then fill in the selection with pure black. Now I have an editable layer consisting of just line art, which I can color underneath without worrying about accidentally affecting the line work. I just have to make sure to create a blank layer underneath the line art, and this is basically where the colors go. From here, it is mostly just focusing on flatting. I don't usually worry about having accurate colors at this stage, as I can easily change whatever colors I put in later on. Once the flats are in, I go back through and adjust the colors so they are more accurate. This is easy with the fill tool, as you just need to change one color spot to affect all the color spots on the page, which share the same value. From here, the rendering process begins. I won't bore you with all the steps for this. I'll save that for another video. So for now, sit back and have fun watching the page come to life via the wonderful process known as digital coloring. And again, be sure to check the end of the video and below for links and keep an eye out for future coloring videos. Till next time.